See, this fight has been going on. Who own a project? But I would see a light with the word called collaboration. I think that is extremely important, because rather than looking at who should be the owning a particular project, I think we should look at how two teams, whether any functional team or IT team, can collaborate with each other. The functional process delivery should lie with the business, and IT should ensure that they provide them a sound backbone for driving that functional process efficiency. So this is, I would say, a collaborative effort between IT and any business function, and that is where we should look at, rather than putting it a IT project or a business project. It has to be a collaborative operational efficiency project where IT and business are equal opportunity players.